The overall goal of this procedure is to determine that meal duration measurements are a quantitative correlate to jaw and tooth pain. This is accomplished by first placing the rats in feeder cages to get a baseline measurement of meal duration. Once baseline measurements are obtained, a pain-inducing agent is injected into the temporomandibular joint or knee joint as a control. After the injection, the animal is returned to the feeder cage and feeding behavior is observed until it returns to baseline levels. Ultimately, data are collected and analyzed to show that animals with jaw pain have longer meal durations.
There are many advantages to using meal duration and meal patterns to analyze pain in rodent models, but we feel two of the main advantages of this model over other types of models is we don't have to restrain the animals, nor does the animal have to be trained.
Some years ago, we noted that there was not a good method to measure orofacial pain in an animal model. This led us to explore the possibility that meal pattern analysis could be used to measure orofacial pain. This led to the development of the model that we've utilized today to measure orofacial pain.
Meal duration studies are performed in sound-attenuated chambers equipped with computer-activated pellet feeders. Add rodent chow to the food hopper, consisting of 45 mg pellet.